All graduations in Pasig City will go UP style. Instead of the traditional graduation robe or toga, Mayor Vico Sotto said Sablay will be used in the 44 public elementary and secondary schools in Pasig. It was Education Sec Alain Del Pascua who proposed the use of Sablay. While Pascua's proposal is yet to be decided by DepEd, Sotto was quick to heed the recommendation. Sotto assured parents of graduating students in Pasig they will not pay for the Sablay. The graduates can also take their Sablay home as a remembrance.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.